Hi everyone, I'm Sandra, part of the education team here at Caryl Baker Visage, and today I'm going to share with you all how I properly cleanse my skin in 4 easy steps using my prescribed skincare regimen. So we're going to start today by cleansing the eye area. I already took the liberty of doing a pre-cleanse before I begin. We are going to start by using our non-oily eye cleanser pads to cleanse the eyes. It's always important to cleanse the eyes separately from the rest of the face. The eye area is a lot more delicate, a lot more sensitive than the rest of the face and body. Our non-oily eye cleansers are good for all skin types. It helps to target any dehydration and puffiness. It contains glycerin that is extremely moisture binding, as well as aloe vera that's a great anti-inflammatory. So I'm going to take my pre-moistened pad and I'm going to fold it into 4s. Okay? And just going around the brow bone under the eye to cleanse any dirt, any oil, any debris. Even if you're not an eye makeup wearer, it's always best to still cleanse around that area. Going down on the lashes. Okay, and the same on the opposite side. We're gonna go around, never wanting to tug or pull on the delicate skin tissue, working with the same direction of the muscle, and down again on the lash. You can fold this over and even go over the lip. Next, I'm going to be cleansing my skin with the Caryl Baker H2O Restore Cleanser. This is my prescribed cleanser. 1 to 2 pumps is all you need with this cleanser. This one is best suited for a combination to dry skin. It's enriched with special blend of AHAs, organic antioxidant botanicals, and superior skin replenishing hyaluronic acid. It is extremely important to cleanse the skin. You want to be able to remove any dirt, any oils, or impurities off the skin. This is also going to help to gently exfoliate. So 1 to 2 pumps is all you need. I'm going to pat it onto the skin. And working in an upward-outward circular motions, we're going to be going against gravity to really get into the skin under that hair follicle to help lift and remove any impurity. You want to be doing these circular motions for a good minute to 2 minutes. When the skin turns a little pink, you know you got that blood circulation going, and it's time to rinse. I'm going to go in with my pre-moistened sponges to remove my cleanser. Following my cleanser, I am now going to go in with our H2O Hyaluronic Hydrating Toner. A cleanser and a toner is like a shampoo and conditioner. They actually work best together. Your toner is now going to help to pick up anything that your cleanser may have left behind. It's going to help to finish that cleansing process and help to balance the pH levels in your skin. Our H2O Restore Hydrating Toner is a high concentrated alcohol-free hydrating toner combining hyaluronic acid, organic vegetable glycerin, and vitamin C to help replenish and restore the skin's natural pH balance. I'm going to saturate my cotton pads with the toner. And once again, going in an upward-outward motion, swiping across the face with my toner. And my last and final step to my cleansing regimen is a moisturizer. The importance of a moisturizer is to lock in all the nutrients, keeping your skin hydrated and protecting your skin from any negative environment elements. I'm going to be using our H2O Restore Antioxidant Cream. Our H2O Restore Antioxidant Cream is a rich, hydrating cream that returns lost vital moisture to all areas of the face and neck, containing certified organic botanical extracts and plant oils to revitalize and nourish. It's also infused with hyaluronic acid to help keep the skin plump and moisturized. So once again, just applying a small amount onto my fingertips. I'm going to warm that up and apply to the skin. Once again, going in an upward-outward motion. And there you have it, everyone. How to properly cleanse your skin in 4 easy steps using my prescribed skincare. To find out what's best suited for your skin type and your conditions, please contact any one of our local face spas. Thanks for watching.